Hi, I'm Sri Yartha, the NJHS Vice President. The Cabinet, myself, and Angelina are here to inform you on the ninth grade day of service and some tips on how to have the best time while you're not in English class.
Hi, I'm Angelina, the ninth grade liaison. Our ninth grade day of service is on October 26th. All ninth graders will come to school and then report to their first period classroom. After first period, you will report to the auditorium where you'll sit with your service location before heading out to serve others in our community. Service opportunities have limited spots. Please understand that some activities are inside and others are outside, so dress for the weather. You will need a packed lunch, and after volunteering, you will return to Penndale for follow-up activities.
Okay, so what is service? Service can range from serving your country to helping your neighbor across the street. Service is volunteering or giving back to the community through generosity and kindness, despite not getting paid. Service benefits yourself and others and allow us to make a mark on the world around us, and one small thing at a time. The smallest act can change someone's world. Some of you may be asking, how do you sign up? Your Penn Time teachers will hand out a field trip form that you will bring to lunch starting on October 9th through the 12th. The forms must be filled out completely, and the locations run on a first-come, first-served basis. You can be grouped with your friends if all their paperwork is filled out and space is permitting. So make sure to have your papers ready and to get in early.
Remember, ninth grade, we give back to our community and we have fun, new experiences. Remember your deadlines and get your paperwork in on time. Anyone who does not get their paperwork turned in will be stuck helping at Penndale all day. Have fun!
If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself, Mrs. Robbins, or Mrs. Thomas in room 219. Don't forget to mark your calendars for Friday, October 26th, a day you get to get out of school and make a difference.
I hope to see you all there.